Hi guys, another crochet project. I made shorts and these are pretty easy. Basically you just find a new pair of underwear and sew them in so that if you wear them outside you're covered up. And then, this was the top I made the other day that, like, say if you have a bathing suit on or something, you can put this little top on top of it and it's like a little outfit. So if you went to the beach or something or just running around the house, there you go. Just a little fun project. So if you haven't tried anything like this, you know, basically you just kind of do the outline for this one of the underwear. You want to make it a little bit bigger all the way around so that, you know, you like a pair of shorts. And then you just kind of follow the pattern and you'll be able to make yourself a pair of shorts. You can do that with a lot of clothing, actually. You can just take clothing and kind of follow the pattern. If you're not sure, you'll make mistakes in the beginning if you make clothing, and then after a while you'll get it. And you can also look at sewing patterns too if you sew and use those, and, you know, for the fabric too. So there you go, just like a little cute project for the summer. And what's the difference if you wear a pair of jean shorts or crochet shorts? And if someone says, why are you wearing those? Say, well, I crochet for my YouTube channel and I'm just checking it out and modeling it. Or just let them know you like to crochet. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.